Okay, this is trail 17. It's a black trail, and it's a hill climb. And I'm gonna wait my turn. What did I hit?
I think they're on your phone. You're on your gas tank. Okay, so you come forward at all, or are you high center?
Yeah, no,
There you go. Okay, now hold up. Let me get ahead of you.
okay.
Straight to me. There you go. Straighten out a little bit. Good girl. Okay, hold that line. Keep coming straight. Keep coming straight. Now cut faster. There you go. All right, hold up.
I still have my lockers off.
That's fine. I don't think you're gonna need it. Go past through a little bit. Come forward. And come back driver. Now you're gonna come past. You're gonna come driver. Forward.
Now let me jump up there.
Go ahead.
Good?
Yep.
All right. Turn the wheel, drive a little bit. Going.
The other one.
Look at the wheel. Look at the passenger. Full straight. Look your wheel passenger. Back up a little bit. Okay, now front driver. Right, I want you to put your front tire on the side of this rock. Come forward. Keep coming. Now push. Faster, faster, faster. Okay, hold up. Right there.
Should I lock them?
This rock is a bitch. Okay, straighten out. Come passenger. No, passenger. Passenger a little more. All right, go forward. Nice and easy. I'm gonna try and prop you up on this rock to get you up that rock. Passenger. Look, hold up, hold up, hold up. Okay, back up a little bit. Okay, hold on. Okay. Put your rear locker on.
Okay.
All right. Come forward nice and easy. Okay, hold up.
Should I just back down and start over?
Yeah, back up. Front passenger. Passenger. Okay, now hold that right there.
Am I gonna go passenger?
No, straight. Up.
Is it?
Forward. Nice and easy. Alright, you're perfect.
I should just keep going. Back up and just keep
This
going.
rock is just wet. Kind of cool. Alright, go ahead. Alright, now hold up. Hold up.
Good. You hit this rock in there.
I'm turning driver too soon.
Alright, cut. Oh, driver. Oh, stop.
I'm cutting passenger too soon. Or I mean driver too soon.
Yeah, see, I want your tire up here, but you're
Okay.
gonna have to pull up a little bit, then cut hard driver and back down.
Oh,
Okay, now cut hard driver.
it's
Hard
hard.
driver.
It's hard to turn.
Yeah, because you got the locker on. Okay, hold on. You're gonna wreck your rim. Cut passenger. Okay, turn your front locker off. When the truck is locked, it's hard to turn the wheel. So for now, we'll turn the front locker off.
Okay.
Right? Cut passenger. Come up very gently. Keep coming. Now cut driver. Hold up. Cut passenger. Back up a little bit. Okay. Now cut hard driver. And go forward.
Oh, I'm going in
Ah,
that
you're still
hole.
on that fucking rock, huh? All right, back up. We're gonna put a rock under that back tire. You should be good right there. Oh.
Did everyone else have this much trouble? Oh, you weren't up here.
I came up with AJ.
Yeah, see, this rock here is just big. What are you aired down to, Tammy?
15.
It's a little high. Okay, put me a rock. Why are all these fucking rocks so fucking big?
What, are you looking for something smaller or?
No, just one that I can pick up without dropping nuts.
You only put one in this rut over here. Rick?
Hold on. Oh! That's thorns in my head.
Are we almost to the top?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're at the top. It's always the end. It's the worst part. All right. Let me get in front of you again.
You want to put one here or no?
No. That's not going to help her. All right, cut passenger.
I'm in reverse.
That's okay. Cut passenger. Okay, put it in drive. Come up nice and easy. Start cutting driver now. Easy driver, right there. All right, hold up. Yeah, you should drop these to like 10.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna put your driver wheel this way and then cut passenger up this rock. Right now. Right there. Go forward. Okay, now go forward. Passenger. There you go. All right. Hold up. Back up. Well, let me get behind you and make sure you're not on the edge here. Okay, you're good. Come back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, now straighten those wheels out.
I'm gonna
I
turn.
want you to come driver. So whenever you come up on a ledge like this,
Oh, I'm going up on that ledge?
yeah, so your tires always grab better when they're at an angle.
Okay.
So if you're coming on a hard ledge like that, you're going to want to go right. You're going to want to go passenger. You'll cut up the ledge passenger. There you go. Now come drive. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. Keep coming. Hi, girl. All right.
Oh, we're going down.
You're gonna go down.
Oh, I thought we were gonna go up.
You're gonna take this all the way to the bottom, make a left, and come back to the
Yep, I know where we are.
things.
Thank
And then,
you very much.
No problem.
Yeah,
That's a rough trail.
that was fun. That was
35, 33.
35s.
It's a fun trail. We did it. My buddy Ernie did it because I was busting his balls because I walked
you
up
wanna
with no problem.
come in?
That's all right. I gotta walk back down.
Okay.
Ernie ended up hitting a wet rock and turned sideways. So we had to get him out. He was literally turned sideways on the trail.
Right, that's what I'm always afraid of
Yeah.
doing.
Yeah. Well, it ain't gonna happen with me. All right. See you at the bottom.
Hope I got you some good,
I do too. I'm sure you did. Oh, see, I can't stand these off
You still
camber.
locked?
Oh, yep. Thank you.
You're not gonna need it.
There. So did AJ have as much trouble as I did?
Nah. He basically, he puts it in first gear, takes his foot off the clutch, and it just climbs.
Yeah, I think my problem was I kept stopping and I was losing momentum.
Did good.
Oh,
As I said to AJ, this is a little bit out of my comfort zone.
this
Yeah.
for you to drive or to be in here right now?
No, to drive.
Drive?
Yeah.
Down here or that trail?
That trail. The going up. Coming
Right.
down, this doesn't bother me.
Right.
It's the going up and the little bit of technicality that it has.
Right.
Because I'm almost like 2.5 years in of wheeling.
Yeah, I want to start doing more technical stuff.